In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app and head into any conversation where you want to share a picture. This can be a one-on-one chat or any group you are part of. Make sure you can see the message field at the bottom of the screen, because that's where the controls for attaching photos live. If you don't see the keyboard, tap the message box to bring it up and reveal the attachment icon. For the quickest way to share, use the standard gallery send. Look for the paperclip icon near the bottom corner of the chat. Tap it and your gallery will open. Browse to the photo or photos you want to share and select them. You'll see a preview, so take a moment to check you've got the right images. If you like, type a short caption in the message field to provide context. When you are ready, tap the blue paper airplane send button to deliver your pictures instantly. If maintaining the highest image quality is important, you can send photos without compression. Telegram reduces file size by default to save data and speed up delivery. But sometimes you need the original resolution. Tap the same paperclip icon, then choose File instead of the Gallery option. Navigate to your photo from your gallery or your device's file manager. Selecting File tells Telegram to send it as is, preserving full detail. Keep in mind that uncompressed images are larger, so they may take longer to upload and use more data, especially on mobile networks. You can also send disappearing photos when you want extra privacy. Start by choosing your photo as usual. Before you send, tap the small one icon to make it view once, or tap the timer icon to set a specific viewing duration. After the recipient opens it, the photo will automatically delete itself according to your setting. This is helpful for sensitive or time-limited content. Remember that while Telegram limits forwarding and saving for these, behavior can vary by device, so share thoughtfully. If you are on a computer, sending is even simpler. Open Telegram on your desktop, bring up the chat you want, and drag an image file from your folder straight into the chat window. Drop it there and it's ready to send. This is a fast way to move photos from your computer into a conversation without extra steps. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.